Are you struggling with type checking in Python when using NamedTuple? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face and how to tackle it effectively. I totally get it. You have several NamedTuples that share fields, and you want to ensure your code is type checked properly with MyPy. It can be frustrating when you encounter errors that seem unnecessary. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I subclass NamedTuple for type checking? They provided an example where they have a base NamedTuple and a base extended NamedTuple. But MyPy throws an error when trying to use base extended where base is expected. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's happening here? The issue arises because NamedTuple inheritance has some quirks in Python, and MyPy is strict about type compatibility. This can lead to errors when you try to use a subclass where a base class is expected. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a clever workaround that can help you maintain type checking without the hassle. To address the user's issue, we can create a custom type that allows for type checking while still using the shared fields. First, we will define a new class that inherits from the base NamedTuple. Next, we will modify the function to accept our new custom class instead of the original NamedTuple. This allows us to maintain type safety while still using the shared fields. Now the user can create instances of both the base and extended NamedTuples using the new custom class. This will ensure that type checking works correctly with MyPy. Finally, the user can call the function with both instances. MyPy will now correctly recognize that both instances are compatible with the function's type requirements. Fun fact, did you know that NamedTuples were introduced in Python 2.6? They provide a way to create lightweight, object-like structures without the overhead of classes. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution proposed by a user involves looking into PEP 544. This PEP suggests an extension to the type system that would enable structural subtyping, also known as static duck typing. Additionally, they mention that improvements to the runtime implementation of NamedTuple are expected soon, likely in Python version 3.6.2. Here's the workaround I promised. By using a protocol, you can keep your code clean and maintain type checking without the need for complex unions or inheritance hacks. And there you have it. You can now subclass NamedTuple for type checking without running into MyPy errors. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more programming tips and tricks.